Yeah, you've read the title. Now quick shifty on the outside of the box. Well, it's got a 10-year warranty, which is good. XLR, so you don't have to worry about trying to find one that works. Phantom power, sometimes good, sometimes bad, but if it's one of these, probably a good thing. Shock mount and detachable pop filter. Well, we'll get this out. Bit of tape, I suppose that's a good thing. Got one on the other end? No. Very much the same on the inner layer, or second box if you prefer. How much difference this is between ones of previous years, I don't know, because I haven't had one of these before. Reasonable, so I can actually mess it up. This is reasonably weighty. Oh, it's plastic, but reasonably solid. You can unscrew the material to give it a clean, but as it's plastic, I suppose just wash it under the tap. Now this is quite substantial. Bit of metal, the elastic, okay, has some kind of strength in it, another good thing. Cable, I think we know what one of these looks like, but what is the thickness like? That's nice to see a lead that is quite flexible. Unlike some of the ones I've got, they're all so old, the plastic's almost disintegrated. But your synthetic silk on the inside, a leatherette feel on the out. Now this has got some weight behind it. I suppose the same kind of weight as a SM58, maybe a tad lighter. You're not going to get much. Now that's substantial there. XLR. Do not eat. But the persons that are likely to eat this, or the animals, will not be able to read. So you get your little buggers, be they four-legged or two, will still eat it because they can't read. Don't have them. But it'd be quite good if there's any moisture that does end up on the microphone itself, will be protected. Don't think we need that, but that's maybe a little on the short side. Yeah, but we go in there okay. Very simple screwing. Yeah, that's I think that's going to do the job. Whether you want me to do the job is of course a completely different matter. Right, that is it, chaps. And you know what's coming up now. Come to Daddy. Drink beer.